Flu cases across southern Nevada are on a downward trend. That's according to the latest report by the Southern Nevada Health District. With the flu season, there have been 827 cases requiring hospitalization, with 49% of those cases involving people over 65 years old. There have been 55 deaths. The number of ER visits dropped over the past 2 weeks as well. Respiratory illness across the state is down as well and listed as moderate.